So I actually got a pretty good area done. I ran out of line, but you know, for line, using, you know, trimmer line, that's actually looking pretty good. If you look at, so this is what I'm using right here. This is the it's not pyramid, or yeah, it's a triangle line. I don't know the exact diameter, but you know, you look at some of the stuff it's chopping up, but it's cutting, you know, stuff like this, which is thicker than, you know, the actual line, which is awesome. But I don't have any more of this line. What I do have is a separate one. We're gonna throw some of that on, and I'll probably just do, you know, one more spool of line, or maybe two, and we'll call it a day. So this is the trimmer line that I'm be using. It's kind of a square shape. I don't know if you can make that out. Well, it's actually more of a rectangle, but whatever. So it's the TurfGro diamond trimmer line, and this stuff is actually super awesome. What I like about it is that you can basically mow almost anything. Blackberries for like thick grass, like super thick and wet grass, this stuff is awesome. So, you know, I highly recommend this stuff. We're gonna take it and we're gonna cut some blackberries up. So we got the trimmer line on there. So I probably put in about 12 feet onto each side. So that's about, I don't know, 24 feet of line, and we're gonna try to see how much we can do with this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to push farther back, because this thing literally slopes, and at one point it kind of just drops. But yeah, we'll see what's up. So we're at the conclusion for today. As you can see, it worked out pretty good for only about 24 feet of line. Well, there's like an extra, I don't know, maybe 8 feet from the green line, but not really counting that, who cares. But for the orange line, just for the orange line, like, you know, the type of stuff it was cutting over here in this kind of area, it was all lighter stuff. But for example, now you have stuff like this, you know, which is pretty thick. In a few areas, the stuff right here is actually, yeah, this is a little thicker. You look at that, you know, this, I don't know, like what, 1/4 of an inch, maybe less, but you know, it cut pretty good. So, you know, it'd actually be a lot better if I used a mulching blade. But the issue here is, well, one of the issues here is that, you know, there's a lot of rocks. Like here, rocks, 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 everywhere rocks. Over here, you have rocks, you have liquor bottles, you have garbage, you know, like that has some kind of liquid in it. That's kind of sketchy, but whatever. You know, there's a lot of stuff here that would make it a lot difficult to, you know, use a mulching blade. Especially like you have a, you know, old liquor bottle, you hit that thing with the mulching blade, and what happens, you know, you hit it with the mulching blade, the glass starts flying everywhere. You know, I don't know where the glass can end up. It can end up on my face, you know, somewhere else. So safety is one of the reasons too. But yeah, dude, look at this, it looks awesome. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good night. Leave some feedback, you know, maybe any questions, any comments. I already know that, you know, like, oh, you're not supposed to use, you know, trimmer line on brush. Well, I'm just showcasing, you know, what it can do. I don't, you know, normally do this, but I understand what I'm doing here, in the sense of, you know, this seems kind of like illogical, but I understand what I'm doing in this case. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good night. God bless. Bye.